Our firm represents a lot of people who've been charged with assault, domestic assault, harassment, that is criminal harassment, sexual assault, those type of violent offenses against a victim. And some of our clients want to resolve the case. They indicate they're guilty, and they want to obviously receive the lightest sentence possible, the most minimum jail term or the lightest fine in the situation, or the least amount of probation. And a common strategy in this particular situation is to, first of all, I'm going to meet with the Crown Attorney to discuss the entire case, the nature of the injuries, if there are any, and all the mitigating and aggravating factors in the client's background. So that's called a Crown pretrial. And one of the topics that I canvass at that pretrial is, look, my client wants to plead guilty. This is an early opportunity to plead. That shows remorse. They are very remorseful, and they regret their conduct. They're accepting full responsibility. This is a situation which, if you come forward like this, it can result in the most minimal penalty in the circumstances. There's a range of sentences, so the Crown can't go below a certain range, but we want to be on that lower end of the range. And one of the strategies we use and suggest to clients and discuss with the Crown is, look, if our client takes some upfront counseling for anger management, for sexual recidivism, that is boundaries of sexual assault and whatnot, with an expert counselor, will that assist in potentially lowering the sentence? The short answer to that is yes, it typically does. If a judge, for example, has a range of sentence that's 2 to 3 years for a date rape situation, that's the typical range for a date rape situation in the province, the judge might be predisposed to go closer to that 2-year range if you show all of that remorse and take that counseling. Similarly, on a domestic assault matter, let's take a case where there's minimal injuries or no injuries. If you take upfront counseling and show that remorse, it might assist even in avoiding a criminal record. So the short answer to this is yes, upfront counseling, if you're wanting to resolve your case, can assist. More importantly, we say to clients, look, don't just go into counseling for a result. You need the counseling. You need this anger management. We encourage it. And by the way, it's going to help you get the lightest sentence possible.